Hey you guys, it's your girl Makayla Sinead here, back to another Makayla Month hits. Today I have another holiday makeup video for you guys. I did a nice little gold glitter cut crease. This makeup look was actually really simple. You guys don't even have to do as much as I did with the glitter. You can use a regular shimmer eyeshadow, but you know I'm a little extra. But I want to film this little video for you guys so you can get some holiday makeup inspiration. I hope you all enjoy it. I will try to list at least the palettes that I used in the comments down below. If you guys like these makeup videos, let me know because I can definitely do more. It was super fun to do, especially now that I'm into glitter. I got the gold, I got the green hair. This look would be perfect for Christmas. I will be seeing you tomorrow in another Makayla Month video. I'll see you then.